Joey. Hello, darling. How are you, sweetheart? Oh, my little boy. What a pretty boy. Yes, you are. Oh, hello, darling. Are you all right, Joey? Yes. Yes. What a pretty boy. What's the matter, darling? You haven't got any mate? I don't know. Oh, look at you. Look at little Wuffy. Oh, my love, you look beautiful. Who's the pretty boy, then? Hello, darling. Is that nice? Wuffy. Oh, it wasn't very long. Are you cold? Is it cold water, Joey? Hello? Hello? Oh, was that nice? Was it? Oh, what a pretty boy. Yes, what a pretty boy. Wuffy, you gonna look at the camera? Yes, look at Wuffy. Wuffy. What a pretty boy. Must be cold, the water today. He normally stays in quite a while. Having a good splash everywhere. Yeah, what a nice wash. And in the summer they normally have 2 or 3 in one day to keep cool. Well, their feathers get very dusty, and they do take care of them.